Om Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Simple Meaning, Chapter 2, Sankhya Yoga, Verse 70. Apuryamanamachalapratishtham Samudramapah pravishanti yadva Tadvat kamayam pravishanti sarve Sashanti mapnoti na kamakami. Apuryamanam achala pratishtham Samudramapaha Samudram apaha pravishanti yadvat tadvat kama yam pravishanti sarve saha shantim apnoti na kama kami. Apuryamanam, always being full. Achala pratishtham, stable and steady like a mountain. Samudram, ocean, sea. Apaha, waters. Yadvat, in what way? Pravishanti, enters. Tadvat, in the same way. Sarve kamaha, all desires. Yam pravishanti, yam, in whom pravishanti, enter. Saha, he, shantim apnoti, shantim, peace, apnoti, attains peace. Na kama kami, not the one who longs for objects of desires. He into whom all objects of desire enter, even like the ocean that is ever being filled by the rivers but still remains steady within its bounds. Such a person attains to peace, not he who runs madly after objects of desire. So here two types of persons are described in continuation of the Sthita Prajna, describing how a Sthita Prajna is. So the one who is established in the knowledge of the Atman, the higher realization, in whom all the desires will be entered but without creating any agitation at all. Whereas a man who goes after all the desires, who is craving for them, is constantly disturbed, unsteady, restless. But the person of steady wisdom, anything and everything can enter there in his mind without disturbing the peace of that mind. So this shloka refers to that human being, so who has established tremendous strength and stability within oneself, and all these various attractions around him do not make any difference to him or her. The person is absolutely calm and steady, not agitated, like an immense lake, or here the example is given, ocean, wherein all the rivers enter without creating any trouble to the ocean. Apuryamanam achala pratishtham, apuryamanam, ever filled. The ocean is all the time looks seems or looks full. Rivers keep on entering into it. And Achala Pratishtham, like a mountain, he is unstable, he is stable. Achala, he is stable, not unstable like a person who craves for the desires. Achala Pratishtham, established in that stability. Like Samudram Apaha Pravishanti Yadvat. Apaha Yadvat Samudram Pravishanti. The waters enter in the Samudra, the ocean. So Tadvat Kamaha Yam Pravishanti Sarve. Sarve Kamaha Yam Pravishanti. All the desires even entering into him. That means even he is surrounded by all the attractions, all the things, materials of attraction, sensory objects, he is not disturbed, he is calm. So such a person attains Shanti, not Kamakami, not the one who is craving for desires. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.